Listen and practice these questions and answers to improve your English. What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Mike. My name is Mike.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I am from Mexico. I am from Mexico.
How old are you? How old are you?
I am 26 years old. I am 26 years old.
When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
My birthday is on September 2nd. My birthday is on September 2nd.
Where were you born? Where were you born?
I was born in Mexico. I was born in Mexico.
What is your phone number? What is your phone number?
My phone number is 7775688.
What is your email address? What is your email address?
It's mike@gmail.com. It's mike@gmail.com.
How often do you check your email? How often do you check your email?
I check my email several times a day. I check my email several times a day.
How tall are you? How tall are you?
I have no idea. I have no idea.
What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
I am a teacher. I am a teacher.
Are you married? Are you married?
No, I am single. No, I am single.
What is your marital status? What is your marital status?
I am married. I am married.
How many children do you have? How many children do you have?
I have 2 children. I have 2 children.
Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 1 brother and 2 sisters. Yes, I have 1 brother and 2 sisters.
Who do you live with? Who do you live with?
I live with my family. I live with my family.
What time do you have breakfast? What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 7:30 a.m. I have breakfast at 7:30 a.m.
What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza.
What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading books and playing guitar. My hobbies are reading books and playing guitar.
How many languages do you speak? How many languages do you speak?
I speak only one language. I speak only one language.
Where are your children? Where are your children?
They are in living room. They are in living room.
What are they doing? What are they doing?
They are watching television. They are watching television.
Where is your brother? Where is your brother?
He is in his bedroom. He is in his bedroom.
What is he doing? What is he doing?
He is sleeping. He is sleeping.
How old is your brother? How old is your brother?
My brother is 30 years old. My brother is 30 years old.
What is wrong with him? What is wrong with him?
He is sick. He is sick.
Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have. It's a cat. Yes, I have. It's a cat.
Where is it? Where is it?
It is in the garage. It is in the garage.
What are you cooking? What are you cooking?
I am cooking pasta. I am cooking pasta.
Is there anything I can do to help? Is there anything I can do to help?
Everything will be okay. Thanks. Everything will be okay. Thanks.
What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday?
I went to the park. I went to the park.
How often do you visit your grandparents? How often do you visit your grandparents?
I visit them once a month. I visit them once a month.
It is yours. It is yours.
Yes, it's mine. Yes, it's mine.
Do you speak English like a native speaker? Do you speak English like a native speaker?
No, I don't speak English like a native speaker. No, I don't speak English like a native speaker.
Do you want to speak English like a native? Do you want to speak English like a native?
Yes, I want to speak English like a native. Yes, I want to speak English like a native.
Do you have any friends? Do you have any friends?
Yes, I have some friends. Yes, I have some friends.
How many friends do you have? How many friends do you have?
I have enough friends, I don't need more. I have enough friends, I don't need more.
Did you have a favorite teacher at high school? Did you have a favorite teacher at high school?
Yes, I had a favorite teacher. Yes, I had a favorite teacher.
What is the name of your teacher? What is the name of your teacher?
His name is Mr. John. His name is Mr. John.
What do you call a baby cow? What do you call a baby cow?
A baby cow is called a calf. A baby cow is called a calf.
How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today?
I am feeling fine today. I am feeling fine today.